Hi friends! So yesterday, nasa SM San Lazaro tayo. And since there's a book sale there, so meron na naman po tayong haul from SM Book Sale SM San Lazaro. We are so engrossed with books. Ayan. Mahilig po tayo talaga magbasa ever since I was high school. Hindi ko matandaan elementary, pero I started in high school, mga novels. But now we are into mga self-improvement books at spiritual books. Life 2, ayan. So sabi niya, The Secret to Limitless Living. So yan. Ito, the 3-minute meditator. So, ito medyo expensive. Naubos yung budget natin dito. Kaya, konti lang. Nabawasan ang ating ano. So, the 3-minute meditator. Reduce stress control, fear, diminish anger in almost no time at all. Anywhere, anytime. Kaya, binili natin kahit expensive siya. Then, 18 master values. So, be the parent you wish you've had. So, mga ano siya eh. There are 18 things we have to develop sa children. So, maganda siyang for our blog, yung potentials. Talks about love, positive attitude, work ethic, integrity, gratitude, curiosity, self-control, creativity, sense of service. So, parang ano rin to, merong love languages, diba? Financial, activities, confidence, social skills, pride, fortitude, justice, humility, wisdom, self-care, additional values. Ayan. So, the author is Kristen Smith. Ayan. Then, we have this journal. Bible study. 6 weeks guided journey. Starve. Bible study siya. So, may Bible verse and then merong reflection, questions that you have to answer. So, it talks about connection, shame, Sabbath, justice, identity, feast. Pero yung ano natin is very attractive kasi ang cover niya. So then we have more haul at San Lazaro, SM San Lazaro. So, binisit din natin yung ating may tita na may siya ngayon, medical challenge, no? Kaya how you live. So, matagal na natin gustong bilhin to pero expensive. But now, it's 35 pesos. So, it's yan, no? Tips, no? Tsaka mga beautiful artworks. Yan. Mga saying. A gentle answer turns away anger, but a harsh word stirs up wrath. Proverbs 15 verse 1. So, mga Bible verses din siya. And ayan. For having family fun. So, yan. How you live. It's a guide, no, to living. Author is Points of Grace. Wala siyang author. Lessons from Point of Grace. So iba-iba. Iba-iba yung ano natin. Ayan. She is Shaylee Breen. This is Dennis Jones. So, marami silang author. Lay Capilino. And there are three authors. Contents is about God's voice, tone of voice, consistency, hopes and dreams, fear of failure, priorities, routines and rhythm, comparison, integrity, conflict, perseverance, gratitude, fear. So, maganda yung mga topics niya. Medyo mahaba po ang topics. Ayan. So, pag maganda yan, isi-share natin yung content sa inyo. Then, another book, How to Meditate. So, yan. Hardbound siya, pero 80 pesos lang. Then, we bought 2 spiritual, anong tawag dyan? Bible study. So, yung The Joyful Life, authored by for Christian women. Wala rin siyang author. So, may contributor siya. So, maganda rin siya po. Yan, for women. And Talking the Walk. Cultivating intimacy, honesty in your ministry, small groups. Ayan, for Bible studies. Yan, maganda siya. So, yan ang ating mga haul from SM San Lazaro. Ayan. So, more books to read for us. So, wag tayong mapagod, reading, learning. So, we can share this from other people. Yan. I-share naman natin yan sa ating mga subscribers and our mga co-employees. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.